Every performance shoe begins far from the factory floor. Raw materials are gathered with patience and precision. From nature, the journey toward industry begins. Engineered materials add strength and control. Comfort starts with the fibers that touch skin. Softness shaped by force and form. Durability begins with careful selection. Every layer earns its place. Cushioning begins as chemistry. Lightweight strength, engineered. Small elements make big differences. Identity starts with color.
Every stitch has a source.
Many origins. One destination. Traceability ensures trust. The supply chain locks into motion.
Now, the factory takes over.
Movement connects origin to precision. Stability matters long before production begins.
Human attention keeps systems aligned.
Industry gathers at the edges of cities. This is where materials gain purpose. Control begins before creation. Efficiency is built into every path.
Coordinate engineering. The world turns motion into order.
Arrival is measured, not rushed. Safety anchors the process. What traveled far is now within reach. Machines take the next step. Transfer marks the handover. Volume demands rhythm. The factory breathes them in. Verification keeps errors out. Each material knows its path. Transport ends where transformation begins. This is where scale becomes visible. Every step has a place.
People power the process.
Preparation prevents mistakes. Flow is designed, not accidental.
Order sets the tone.
Clean air supports clean work.
Visibility keeps quality sharp.
Materials step into the system. Flexibility enters the line. Strength follows structure. Cushioning waits its turn. Control protects the process. Information keeps everything moving. Before shaping, everything must be pure. The next phase begins. Systems wake up. Nothing moves forward without being cleaned. Impurities are removed at the start. Clean fibers mean consistent comfort. Durability deserves care. Invisible risks are eliminated early. Precision includes cleanliness. Moisture is controlled, never rushed. Balance keeps materials stable. Machines learn what humans once judged. Each component finds its purpose.
Human judgment still matters. Waste is minimized, not ignored.
Uniformity prepares for shaping. Cleanliness is now confirmed. Progress is measured in stages. Now, materials are ready to be shaped. The next transformation waits.
Preparation is complete.
Performance begins in the mix. Force and precision work together. Small measures shape big outcomes. Control keeps materials alive. mass becomes form. Consistency is engineered.
Comfort is calculated.
Lightness is not accidental. Every step begins with a pattern. Accuracy leaves no margin. Strength takes shape.
Organization feeds speed.
Molds remember every detail. Pressure defines durability. Time completes the cure.
Quality is caught early.
Pieces prepare to unite. The real transformation is next. Separate layers begin to cooperate. Strength is built one stitch at a time.
Support is added where stress lives.
Form is locked in.
Every shoe needs a spine.
Shape becomes structure. Protection where impact strikes. Bonding begins with chemistry. Timing decides strength. Parts become partners. The shoe finds its footing.
Time finishes what force began.
Structure remains without support.
Balance is verified. Refinement sharpens form. Details matter. Many lines, one result. The shoe is born. Automation adds consistency. Machines confirm what eyes expect. Every angle is checked. Performance starts with balance.
Flow adapts in real time.
Identity is assailed. Every pair becomes traceable.
Information moves faster than material.
Pauses are planned, not wasted. Timing stays perfect. Precision sees what humans might miss. Quality never negotiates.
Conditions are controlled.
Problems are solved before they exist. Efficiency never sleeps. Automation hands over to refinement. Technology falls in line.
Performance is refined in the details. Uniform texture speaks quality.
Clean lines define craftsmanship. Nothing is left unfinished. Identity is sealed. Brand integrity is verified. Color tells the truth. Function meets familiarity. Comfort completes the interior.
Precision feels better.
Form is allowed to settle. Cleanliness is visible.
Movement proves resilience.
Stability stands firm.
Nothing ships alone.
Human eyes give final approval.
Ready for proof. Quality is about to be measured. Quality is where claims are tested. Every millimeter matters. Balance is measurable. Durability earns its name. Movement is repeated, not assumed.
Impact reveals truth.
Bonding must resist force. Weather is simulated.
Recovery defines resilience.
Heat and cold leave no mercy. Stability holds.
Color must endure exposure.
Comfort goes beyond touch. Experience confirms data. Only approved pairs continue.
Proof is recorded.
Tested. Trusted.
The final stage begins.
Completion starts with protection. Structure matters outside the shoe too. Handled with precision to the end. Details protect form. Information travels with the product. Nothing leaves unfinished. Accuracy continues to the last gram. Many pairs, one destination. Prepared for distance. Efficiency stacks up. Stability for the journey ahead.
Inventory waits in readiness.
Logistics gives direction. Departure begins. Carried toward the world.
And this is how modern factories produce sports shoes from start to finish.
The process moves forward.
Subscribe for more real factory breakdowns.